Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm Silo Potela DJ. So today we are back. I think this is our second interview for the year because my interviews about invite abantu abafiki. Last week there was a guy was ngumelano we rapper sim invite party. Akapicture phanga party. Ikona interview esilowe sipheka. I think it's been 2 years now. So siphethe umsasazi, personality, MCs, ningi izinto akazenza but okuningi ngizokuzwa ngayo. So cool. Welcome to Speaker Now njani?
Thank you, Sabza. I'm finally here.
Yo,
it's been a long time coming.
yeah, kudala siyiplana na Andy. First time siyiplana bengakwazi ukuthi une passion ye-radio. So lento yakho ye-radio isukaphi? Yona into enginterested kakhulu ngayo le.
Okay. I think it was back in high school. Yeah. I think I've always known about, like, I just love being... Actually, my thing was TV presenting.
Okay.
But as Bandian Kula, I actually realized that, no, if I'm being honest, I can't do live TV, you know. So I thought that radio is actually a safe space for me. So I think it was in high school. So I was in high school between 2012 and 14. And I realized towards end of high school, which was like 2013, Kanje. Yeah, but at some point it kind of like died out, but so
usakhula isekhona le passion mhlawumbe ubani umuntu edubukele kuyena la especially lati be presenter at that time usasay school.
Pearl Mutiadi from Metro FM, Bonang Mateba, DJ Fresh, loved them so much.
So dali khona le passion.
Yeah, I remember back in varsity and then sekoli. So xa classes zam ziphume early, I'd literally go to SABC and sit phayana Metro FM studios right in the beginning. So I'd sit and watch Pearl do a show yakhe from the beginning to the end. Mind you, andimva nobuthini, but I can see the actions and I can see the excitement in her voice. And I was like, this is definitely something I want to do.
So at least when I saw what we bona lento la close la eduze wayibothi into possible. So ke nakuma studios Metro FM.
Yeah, I've been there. Yeah.
So maybe ukale nginike manje uthi uthatha action kuleli phupho lakho because baningi abantu banamaphupho but amaphupho awafeze because bonke abantu bahlezi bethetha something bafuna ukwenza something wona uthatheni uqaleni uthatha action uthi ulandele idream yakho lokuba ku media noma kuba ku space lese entertainment.
It was actually last year. It was actually last year.
Yeah, I think last year ngabona mo audition.
Yeah, that was my BASB.
Yeah.
It was the first one. Yes. The funny part was that imagine me going to such a big platform and I experience a radio. I don't know about Gwenzo Andoni because now I thought they'd ask me questions, you know, and then judge from my voice and my confidence. Can't you know? I'll feel like to action. I'm just like, what am I gonna say? Because at the same time, I don't want to sound like or whoever. I want to sound like myself, but at the same time, I'll be now believe you, but I'm actually good at this. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in myself, like the way I presented it because I was scared and it was like my first time. And my second time we also met again.
Monfrey.
Audition. Alfredo. Yes, yeah. And that one was actually not that bad, but it was still my early months as a radio, like Bensafika. So, you know, the confidence wasn't really there, but the passion was forever there.
But so inside man the radio and the radio, abantu abaningi bathi radio is dying out. Wena umuntu inside because abantu abaningi bafocus kakhulu internet. Ithini comment yakho about abantu abacompare radio nama podcast? Maybe do you think radio is dying out or do you think radio is in the future? especially community radio.
Hey, I always emphasize it. We listeners, also my friends and everyone, because my friends would usually say, like back before radio, Chomi, don't radio. I'm like, you don't understand. There's different shows, and radio is so informative. If you could listen to my show, we have a lot of features, a lot of segments that actually talk about that include youth, you know, everything, economy, literally everything. So I don't understand abantu abathi radio is dying out. There's no such. Imagine me being on radio and then you say radio is dying out. It doesn't make sense.
Oh, it doesn't make sense.
It does not make sense at all. Radio is like the best thing that has ever happened to, I don't know, just to the entertainment industry. It's like everything. It's like everything. And the nice thing is that radio is live. So you are being yourself, Payana. You know, akubekustwa khathi kubekustwani. So yeah, man.
I-radio ke iphinde be nama-event enzakalayo because ngeke ngakubona kwamanye ama-event ikhona ishophu ayivulwa lapha I think Teenage Africa ngakubona u-MC so akhona amanye ama-opportunities osewatholile after ungene eradweni mhlawumbe okade engekho before because into engiyazi nge-radio expose kubantu nabantu abaningi aba-different.
Yes, of course. Before ngicela usosende answer khona bengayi-answer shang before that about what people think about the community radio station. I was talking to Lux about this not so long ago. I'm just like, you know what, if we're being honest, community radios actually do a lot better than some of like the national radios because
now explain.
In a way yoba obviously community radio ingaphansi ne kune yes.
Of your radios.
Yes, of course. I think most of the times with national radios, they take like well-known people for numbers, not people that actually have passion for radio. And in community radio, because obviously you want to start from the bottom, there are people who are actually so good with what they do. They just deserve that chance to be listened, to be heard. But just because the community radio is, you know, it's not broad, like you can only listen it to up to frequency. But I mean, most of your radios, my community radios, their website, so about OP, you can actually listen. So I think it just needs the exposure and all of that. Yeah, man. And I think about Cholondo, it's people who are uninformed once again when it comes to a radio.
Okay. Yes. So yeah, so back to opportunities as in a radio, maybe.
Yes. Actually, there are a lot. As for India said, Tinet, how it came about, I was not even supposed to be doing that. But I just saw that they were running late, they were running late, and I'm here, so I might as well, why not? I love speaking, so I was like, I might as well just open my mouth and speak. And people were just like, no ways. Utu looks, Baseli invoice. I'm like, no, man, And yeah, after that, I've really got like a lot more opportunities. The emceeing gigs, just corporate gigs, so yeah, man.
Action. So like entertainment ivamise ukuthi idume ukuthi kune bad side, especially when it's coming to nightlife yakhona because ihamba naye and wena inside because uba MC nasendaweni zasebusuku sengeke ngakubona somewhere actually embele exclusive. So athina ama challenges maybe ukuba yifemale kule space se entertainment esiphinde sibe naleli side labantu maybe awukazi ufile ngathi awukho safe somewhere kulezi ndawo zakhona shade enibukwa kuzona because part of entertainment nale career inamba kuyona le entertainment le awukazi ube kuma spaces la ufika khona ngathi no.
Okay, interesting. I think because it's still like my early stages, I'm not gonna lie, abantu have been so nice to me. They've been so nice to me. I think the only disadvantage for me is like sometimes how to convince my parent, because obviously I'm going in there when there's alcohol, there's boys, so I'm going to play or I'm going to party, not knowing that I'm actually going to work, but obviously I'm also going to have fun. So far that's like the only disadvantage about it, but other than that, I'm not gonna lie.
When it's coming to our promoters are local, they are famous for not paying. Are they paying you?
Yeah. Even though sometimes it comes late, but eventually payment
because I'm a local artist in Kolo interview Apple speaker now, they always complain about go back to our bars or performer just for exposure. But when it's coming to about payment,
yeah, that happens too. I mean, I have a couple of gigs that I was just there for exposure. Everything, transport and all of that. But now, no. I don't think I can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when exposure or else back invited when I just for exposure because it's different. Mago when now for I'm blaming anyone, but if bezokbiza and then no, this is just for exposure. I think again the sense exciting.
No, I haven't really like invited myself. I've always been invited, even for exposure. Yeah.
Okay, so moving forward, because ngibona ama-females amaningi akuspace akho, actually Metro FM, Ukhozi FM, everyone who's a female ose-radioing, we are DJ on the side. When are we starting about DJ now? Because
very soon, because
it seems like you're only trend
exactly. I actually I am in a process. Post I am, there is a DJ thing, Payan.
Oh, yeah, academy. No.
Like yes.
So we deal already.
Yes. And I need, I haven't played yet. That's the thing. I think I just need to be more confident. Okay. Otherwise, I'm good to go.
Okay, because I think
radio and DJing goes together because it's all music at the end of the day.
End of the day, we're a radio DJ.
Yes, and I'm an entertainer.
Yeah, so we are playing music every day. We can DJ.
So the music selections in those
So when it's coming to DJ, aba poster lama pictures half naked, ama female, abangena skill. Ufuna ungena yipi career, ufuna uba a skillful DJ or just a pretty DJ or lapha kuma decks.
Skillful subs. I mean, I think. Well, like if you know me, you never really see me wearing short things. Like that's not my character.
Yeah,
you know, what you see is what you get.
Because you're not trending pushwa lapha
but it's okay to be different.
Yeah. Okay, so when it's coming to maybe ngathi noma top 3 yakho ama best radio DJs.
That's so hard. That is so hard. Okay. Pearl Mudiadi. I love her, of course. Bonang, I think she was absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
There's a couple of them, AYFM guys, like there's a couple of good presenters. Y, True FM, J, yabona basaze ngobusezweni. Like I can mention a lot. I can't even like a 9 a top 3. Like I can just mention a lot.
So no one from Umhlobo, like ama radio station amakhulu like noma akuyona vibe yakho le.
From Umhlobo, I think looks. Ngiyamthanda looks. Yes. 3 to 6 Wednesday Drive. Yes, she's good. True. Yeah. Metro currently and some Mameli, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe in 10 years' time, if you are still on radio, maybe uzibona wenza yipi show, like maybe a morning show, a drive show, and kuyiphi radio station.
The funny part is that this morning says a drive show, because I feel like I was saying this other time, I'm like, wow, it's actually so lovely. Bandit in Safige radio and Benfige like we drive, because if you know radio, you'll know that a drive show is literally the biggest show in the station.
Drive show and
breakfast show.
Those are two shows radio station.
Exactly. So I think just care for experience. I could also do like a Sunday Jams kind of show. Sunday
like
Jams.
Slow Jams.
Exactly.
You don't look like a soulful person.
I very much am.
Yeah, I think we are fit, we proud. We loud, like so about lifestyle, about drive. I think we are fit. You wanna show yakho. Yeah, but anyway, siyazi ukuthi usarasha kwishow yakho. Maybe ungaba bacisela mhlawumbe abantu abaku-speaker na ukuthi intoni enzakala kushow yakho lo uyithengise nje lakho maybe ngama features la akhona kushow yakho abantu abangazibilalela before.
Okay, putting me on the spot. But anything for my show. So yeah, man, Kulona Wakwagatya from Isabella FM. So Mnanezi drive show between 3 to 6 every Mondays to Fridays. So you literally don't want to miss out on that. Like Ubawena, Aukaimamel Isabella FM, you're definitely missing out on the good music, the good features. Umzagelo Grammy show today is Thursday, right?
Thursday.
So Thursday, 3:30, Snayingoko, obviously, you always have something to talk about. Literally. 4 o'clock, we have music. 4 we ask a listener to request 4 songs from the same artist, because remember, the show is not for us, but for the listeners. So we always make it a point that listeners are our priority, first priority. So that's that. 4:30, again, snap back-to-back songs. Each listener requesting Gomayabo. Then 5 o'clock, also I just changed a setting. Show yamne. So I have like if umuntu bemamela before, like the features have changed. Umzekelo namhlanje it's a Thursday. What do we have? 5 o'clock and then Thursday, or we have Throwback Thursday. So we play whatever song it is that we're playing a throwback, and then we ask you that. But 5:30, we definitely have a mix, which I always ask upcoming DJs to like send me a mix through my email okanye number Sabela FM, so that.
Okay, can you share your email?
Yes, my email is khulumancogaja23@gmail.com. khulumancogaja23@gmail.com. Small letters. Okanye usend like WhatsApp Sabela 069-365-0937. Siyafumana ka 88.0 okanye website yethu www.sabelafm.co.za.
Do we have a feature maybe involve our upcoming artists? Because on the show we are very big my upcoming artists, especially abantu hip hop, because bona abantu bethu la ikhona feature now.
Of course, I do have a feature on Fridays. I have interviews like with artists. Okay. So 3:30. So if when you just need you know, to have a chat, you can just holler at me na wakukla email okanye kwi WhatsApp number yethu.
Okay. Thank you for coming to Speaker Now. Hopefully so chat now very soon, because I think it's close to office like.
Definitely Sizi neighbors.
Yeah.
Sizi neighbors. Thank you so much,
so bakthola phi my socials before hamba abantu.
Oh yes. Instagram at thesip_24 at thesip SIP_24. Facebook, I'm not that active on Facebook. So
Twitter,
I'm naye. I don't like the vibe you got Twitter like. Yeah.
Very negative, but most radio we are forced to be on the mix, because most of lapha kumhlobo bazobuza ukuthi athina ama handles zakho.
Yeah, so, but
maybe we create and ibe khona just for ube.
Yeah.
I'll
try. So yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you to coming to Speaker Now. Usually I'm artist abantu abafika la after ishow ba perform, but namhlanje siphethe radio DJ, so there's no performance. Yeah, uyathetha nje kuphela. So but thank you for coming to Speaker Now, and ishow yakho ngiyayibona iyakhula nawe, ngeke ngakuzwa ngikulalela. I think uloku again i-confidence like radio, like we are comfortable with drive le, so I think ngiyayibona leyo growth. Awasafana lo ngidibane nayo lapha emthatha kuma audition.
Hey, kwakunzima lapha.
Kwakusenzima.
Kwakusenzima because I didn't have experience at all, so it made sense.